going to try and kiss girls I've never met before using this translation device, IRI.
この翻訳デバイス、イリを使って初対面の女性にキスを挑みます。
All right, let's go and do this. Excuse me. Hello.
こんにちは。
I know this is sudden, but can I try and kiss you?
突然ですが、あなたにキスしてもいいですか？
It's very normal in the UK.
イギリスでは普通のことだよ。
日本。
Hey, just one kiss. Just one kiss. Today's weather is beautiful, but not as beautiful as you.
今日の天気は美しいけれども、あなたほど美しくはない。
I just wanted to say, can I... Excuse me, do you have a second?
No speaking.
I have something amazing. I can speak Japanese.
僕は日本語を話せます。
Yay! It's cool, right? I want to try to kiss with you. Yeah? Okay. I should thank your parents for making such a beautiful girl on this earth.
こんなに美しい女性をこの地球に産んでくれたあなたの両親に感謝したい。
Do you understand? And I want to try and kiss a beautiful lady like you.
あなたのような美しい人にキスをしてみたいです。
Yeah? Can we try? Maybe? Just a little bit? Yeah. Let's try. No one's looking. Just a little bit. Wow, that was amazing.
At Power Practical, light isn't a product, it's the key to productivity. With your help, we brought the original Luminoodle to life, and we're back to introduce the brightest, most capable Luminoodle ever, the Luminoodle Task. The Luminoodle Task is a super bright, flexible, waterproof, portable ribbon of light that takes you where traditional lighting can't, so you can use it how you need it. And for the first time ever, we've made it linkable, so you can build your own ultra-bright, low-profile lighting system. The Luminoodle Task is loaded with features that let you decide how your light looks, feels, and fits into your space. Outfitted with the strongest magnet sliders we've ever made, you can stick it anywhere, confidently. With the built-in controller and wireless remote, it's dimmable, and with multiple ways to power it, the Luminoodle Task goes where you go. Please back or share our project and show us how you use your noodle.
We spend a third of our lives sleeping, and each day is dependent on it. Unfortunately, for 1 out of 5 people, this is not a reality. They suffer from sleep deprivation. My name is Julian, one of the founders of Somnox, and we made it our mission to bring the world better sleep with world's first sleep robot. Meet the Somnox Sleep Robot, your ultimate sleep companion that improves sleep by soothing body and mind, reducing stress and anxiety so you can fall asleep faster, deeper, and wake up feeling refreshed. It does so by providing a range of effective and proven features: breathing regulation, sounds, and affection. By hugging the Somnox Sleep Robot at night, you will feel it breathe. And by feeling the rising and falling sensation of its breathing, you will subconsciously adjust your own breathing rhythm accordingly. Years of research have proven that breathing is essential to naturally reduce stress and increase relaxation to help you fall asleep. In addition to breathing, the Somnox Sleep Robot provides the user with sounds. Hear the sounds of heartbeats, guided meditation, lullabies, or upload your own, turning off automatically. The mobile app can be used to set your personal preferences during the day so you can have a tailored approach to improve your sleep at night. With over-the-air updates, we will make Somnox the robot smarter over time. Soft and durable fabrics provide ultimate comfort and can be easily washed. The battle for sleep is a frustration that I've personally experienced through family and friends. Rather than reach for addictive sleep medication, I was introduced to breathing and audio being an effective and proven method to help me sleep and relax. Over years of research and development, we have built a dream team of various dedicated engineers, sleep enthusiasts, and researchers who are passionate about bringing better sleep to the world. After developing many prototypes and a lot of testing in collaboration with test sleepers and our high-tech incubator Yes Delft, we have designed the ultimate sleep companion. We are proud to announce our partnership with Royal Alping, the leading circular mattress manufacturer in Europe. Alping helped us co-design the Somnox Sleep Robot to a sustainable product with high-quality materials. We are fortunate that we can manufacture the Somnox Sleep Robot at Alping's reliable manufacturing facilities in the Netherlands. Everything to make sure you get what you pledge for. We need your help to purchase tooling and realize our product. Support us today by pre-ordering your own Somnox Sleep Robot and help us bring the world better sleep.